Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about importance of CSS or cascading style sheet in web development and mobile development. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of CSS. CSS or cascading style sheets is crucial for web development and design for several reasons. Number one, separation of content and presentation. CSS allows developers to separate the content of a website HTML from its visual representation. This separation makes it easier to manage and maintain the website. Changes in the design can be made in the CSS file without altering the HTML structure. Number 2. Improve accessibility. By separating style from content, CSS enhances accessibility. Screen readers and other assistive technologies can more easily interpret and navigate content that is structured with HTML and styled with CSS. Number 3. Consistency across pages. CSS enables the application of a consistent style across multiple web pages. This uniformity ensures that all pages of a website look cohesive, which improves user experience and brand identity. Number 4. Enhanced design and layout. CSS provides powerful tools for creating visually appealing and responsive designs. Features like Flexbox, Grid, and multimedia queries allows developers to create complex layouts that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Number 5. Performance optimization. CSS can help improve website performance. External CSS files are cached by browsers, which reduces the need to reload the same styles with every page request. This caching speeds up the page load times. Number 6, reduce HTML complexity. By moving style rules to a separate CSS file, HTML documents become cleaner, more readable. This simplification makes it easier to spot and fix errors in the HTML code. Number 7, reusability. CSS classes and IDs can be reuse across different elements and pages, which reduces redundancy and makes that code base more efficient. Reusability also speeds up development time and reduces the likelihood of errors. Number 8, maintainability. CSS makes it easier to maintain and update a website. A single change in a CSS file can update the style of multiple pages at once, simplifying the process of making site-wide changes. Number 9, animation and interactivity. CSS provides capabilities for adding animations and transitions to web elements, enhancing the user experience without the need for JavaScript or other more complex technologies. And lastly, we have number 10, industry standards and best practices. CSS is a standard defined by the World Wide Web Consortium W3C. Following these standards ensures compatibility across different browsers and devices, making websites more reliable and accessible. In summary, CSS is fundamental to web development because it enhances design capabilities, improves user experience, ensures consistency, and makes the code more maintainable and efficient. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of CSS in web development or cascading style sheets. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.